Okay, good morning. Hello, 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 guys. Good morning. Welcome to the Artsplay. My name is Dana Leon. In today's workshop, we will focus on multiple developmental areas. In multiple developmental areas, we will focus on those areas that allow your child to play in a natural way and build a bank of experiences that they can use to connect with abstract ideas in everyday life, right? And a great way to incorporate that with your child is to, and help them develop their skills, is to take advantage of their desires to help out around the house, right? So working together, right? And by working together, you also can increase your bounding opportunities, but also a little lesson in delayed gratification. So most of our activities today, we will allow you to practice motor skills, bilateral integration, direction, and body awareness. So let's practice on those. And to get started, we're going to sing our good morning song. A few things you may need today will be a bowl or a bag or some sort of collection item, or you can make a pile. You need 5 items. I have 5 scarves. You can use 5 towels, 5 of your little one's socks, 5 napkins, or just 5 toys that you can fit inside of your box, a bag, or to make a neat pile with. Or you can simply just pretend with your hand motions. So caregivers, if you can please participate this time around, and let's pretend and let's clean up. Here we go. We'll sing our good morning song while we get ready. Here we go. Good morning, good morning. Hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello, and how are you? Can you say good morning or wave good morning? You wave good morning. Everybody say good morning. All right, here we go. Good morning, good morning. Hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello, and how are you? You can say good morning or wave hello to everyone today. Hello, good morning. One more time. Here we go. You can sing and sway with me and sing our good morning song. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Good morning. Good morning. Hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello, and how are you? Hey, one more time. If you can say good morning, I'll wave hello and say good morning. There you go. Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys are feeling well. So we're going to start off again by singing our hello song like always. So we have 1 hand up, 2 hands up. Wiggle your fingers, let me know that you're ready. Can we go up high, down low, up high, down low? Can we hold our fingers out just like this, both of your hands? Good job. Let's sing our hello song, 1 hand at a time. Here we go. Hello, 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 both hands. Hello, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Hands are down. Let's sing it again. 1 hand up, 2 hands up. Let's sing. Hello, 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 both hands. Hello, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Hands on your head. Good job. Let's do it one more time. 1 hand up, 2 hands up. Wiggle your fingers. Let me know that you're ready. Okay, here we go. Hello, 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 both hands. Hello, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Again, hello, 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 hello. Hello, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Hands are down. Okay, so I hope you guys are feeling well. So let's start off with our first activity. So caregivers, if you have your bowl and your 5 items ready, or again, you can pretend to clean up with me and make a pile. So first, we're gonna start off by putting the items, counting to 3, making a mess, and then putting the items back in by singing the cleanup song. Yes? Okay, here we go. Here's my bowl, and here's my scarf. We're gonna make a mess in a count to 3. You ready, everyone? You ready, everybody? Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. Make a mess, make a mess, make a mess, make a mess, make a mess. Okay. Oh, what a mess. Now let's, what do you say? Clean up. Here we go. Clean up, clean up. Everybody, everywhere, clean up, clean up. Everybody do your share. Clean up, clean up. Everybody, everywhere, clean up, clean up. Everybody, everywhere, clean up, clean up. Everybody do your share. Oh, wow. It looks like you guys have cleaned up very well. Good job, good job. Now let's count how many items we cleaned up. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Did you clean up all of your items? I'm sure you did. It looks so clean in here. But let's go one more time. We're gonna make a mess, count to 3, and then we're gonna clean up with our cleanup song. Here we go. Let's make a mess. Ready, caregivers? Help your little one make a mess. And then we're gonna clean it up, put it in the pile. Here we go. 1, count with me. 2, 3, make a mess, make a mess, make a mess. Wow, make a mess, such a mess. Okay, guys, let's clean up. Here we go, let's sing our cleanup song. Clean up, clean up. Everybody, everywhere, clean up, clean up. Everybody do your share. Clean up, clean up. Everybody, everywhere, clean up, clean up. Everybody do your share. Clean up, clean up. Everybody, everywhere, clean up, clean up. Everybody do your share. Everybody say clean up, clean up. I hope that you clean up. It looks very clean out there. Now let's count our items. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good job, good job. Let's sing the cleanup song one more time. Here we go. And clean up, clean up. Everybody, everywhere, clean up, clean up. Everybody do your share. Clean up, clean up. Everybody, everywhere, clean up, clean up. Everybody do your share. Oh, wow, good job. Give yourselves applause, a round of applause for cleaning up. You did so well. We put everything together, right? Okay, now let's go to our next activity, guys. Our next activity, we're going to talk about peas porridge. Do you like peas porridge? I like peas porridge. It's so, so yummy. Yeah, so peas and porridge can be hot. Can you fan yourself hot? It's so hot. Or you can like it cold. Can you shiver like it's cold, so cold, or hot? Woo, it's so hot, 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 hot. Or let's see, cold, cold, so cold. Okay, caregivers, on this next activity, we're gonna just do like the cleanup. We're going to put the items inside your bag or bowl or pile, and we're gonna take them out, right? After singing each verse of the peas porridge. Okay, here we go. Now, here we go, let's sing. Peas porridge hot, peas porridge cold, peas porridge in the pot, 9 days old. Some like it hot, hot, hot. Some like it cold, some like it in the pot, 9 days old. Peas porridge hot, peas porridge cold, peas porridge in the pot, 9 days old. Now let's count. We have our items. Let's count. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have 5 scarves, 5 items. Yes? So we're gonna put them all back in. Let's sing the peas porridge song. Here we go. Peas porridge hot, peas porridge cold, peas porridge in the pot, 9 days old. Some like it hot, some like it cold, some like it in the pot, 9 days old. Peas porridge hot, peas porridge cold, peas porridge in the pot, 9 days old. Some like it hot, so hot. Can you fan yourself for it to be hot? Some like it cold, so cold. Some like it in the pot, 9 days old. Now let's pick up our scarves, clean up again. Here we go, let's count them. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have 5 items. Well, 5 items in our pot. Yes? Okay, let's sing our song again. You can clap your hands or you can sway side to side. Here we go. Peas porridge hot, peas porridge cold, peas porridge in the pot, 9 days old. Some like it hot, some like it cold, some like it in the pot, 9 days old. Okay, let's count our scarves again in our pot. Let's count our items. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now let's clean that all the way up. Let's clean up our mess that we made. Put our peas in a pot or our mess. Put it back together inside our pile or our bowl. Are you ready to clean up? Yes, let's clean up. Here we go. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and last one. 5. Can you hold up 5 hands? 5. We have 5 items in our bucket. We cleaned up so well. Okay, guys, you're doing such a great job. Now it's time to look at our featured art of today. Now that we're all cleaned up, let's take a look at our featured art. Wow, look at this, guys. Look at our featured art. Look at our featured art. It's so colorful, right? This featured art is named, our featured art is named the Procesión de Alebrijas by Laura Anderson Barbada. This is an installation of 23 items. Do you see all of those items? There's so many of them. And it's created with an assistant, a master artist of Osha Khan, courtesy of the artist, right? Now, let's take a closer look at our featured art. Look at all of those figures. There's so many of them. Again, there's 23 figures. Imagine if we had to clean all of that up, right? Now, what else do we see? We see so many figures. We see a lot of animals. What animals do you see? I see a frog. I see a deer. I see a cat and a donkey. Do you see all of those items? All of those animals. There's a little dog at the bottom also. They have so many colors, just like that little dog is polka dots. It's black and white. Can you see all of the colors that I'm seeing? Yes, some have on blue. I see orange. What colors do you see? I see red and yellow and pink. Yep, so many different colors because there's so many figures. There's 23 of them. They look like they're going to a parade. Some have sticks in their hand. Some are on stilts. And some are holding items in their hands, like the deer in the front with maybe a bird in its hand. Yes. Wow, this is such an amazing art by Laura Anderson Barbada. Again, the name of this art is the Procesión de Alebrijes. Okay, guys, this was such a great time. So now it's time to say goodbye. Let's say goodbye by singing our goodbye song. Let's do it. 1 hand up, 2 hands up. Let's shake them out. Shake, 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 shake. Freeze. Let's shake them out again. Shake, 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 shake. Freeze. Let's shake them out one more time as fast as you can. Let's go. Here we go. Shake, 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 shake. Freeze. Hey, good job. Keep those hands up. Okay, everyone, let's sing our goodbye song. Here we go. 1 hand at a time. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Both hands. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Hands are down. Let's sing it again. 1 hand up, 2 hands up. Here we go. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Both hands. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Hands are down. Okay, guys, thank you for joining me today with our multiple development areas. Remember, parents, caregivers, take advantage on your kids' desires to help out around the house and clean up, where they can use all of their skills, their motor skills, their bilateral integration, their body and direction awareness, and keep on practicing. Practice makes perfect. Okay, guys, have a great day.